Aloha Kākou everyone, and Paulela's having breakfast. I made her a little bowl of blueberries and some strawberry banana yogurt. She loves yogurt. She can eat like a whole little thing by herself. And she loves blueberries. Mmm, so yummy, yeah? Yesterday we bought 2 of these. We always buy 2 of these because they really can run out super fast because of all my kids love blueberries. Do you see Daddy in the window, Tita? And Paulela ate one whole thing by herself last night. So we have some little bit left over from the second box. But I can't believe she ate the whole thing. So crazy. Okay. We're on our way to take some macarons over that I made to my mother's, mi madre's job. And here's a little note I put.
Oh, run over there.
Ha'oli la makuahine, love your fave child. The weather looks a little like cloudy and rainy, but it looks like it's clearing up. So I almost wasn't gonna go for a walk and take Paulele, but I think we will still do that. Darren just scared the freaking crap out of me. So I was in the kitchen and I'm like right by this door, and this is the main door we come in and out of, and I was standing right here by the table and the door just opens, and I'm like, I didn't even know like he came home. Usually I can hear the car, see the car, but he didn't pull into our little garage, so that's why I didn't see the car. So when he opened it, I almost had like a mini heart attack. I was like, oh my gosh, I didn't even know you were home. I didn't even know who you were. Like, you just busted open the door. And then he's like, yeah, why is the door unlocked? I could have been a rapist. And I was like, oh my gosh, you're so crazy. Then he starts grabbing me and starts pretending he's a rapist. Oh my gosh, he's like so dumb. Anyway, he went to he took Paulele to go pick up the kids, and he came home real quick just to drop me off some fish and poi. Oh my gosh, don't ever do that, Nohea, ever again. Look what just happened. Oh my god, I'm wasting poi. Look at this. Oh my gosh, I have to clean this up. I can't believe I just dropped it. This is tonight's dinner. Spicy ahi, favorite. And poi, another favorite. Perfect dinner. I love this sauce.
Petrol pumps. Interesting. Coming up, Echo. I'm like a dog with a bone. I just want you for my own. I got to have you, babe.
Rubber baby bubbers. Baby rubbers. Peter Piper. Name your next video. Peter Piper.
Peter Piper. Peter Piper pickle pickers.
Peter Piper pickle mangoes.
Pickle mangoes. My makeup is all kind of runny. We were just laughing so hard. We're trying to well, I was trying to do tongue twisters. That's what they're called, tongue twisters. I have a new one. If anyone could try to say fake paint splatter like 5 times fast. It's like really hard because Darren usually can like say all those like Peter Piper whatever. I always say Peter Piper. Peter Piper. Peter Piper Piper.
I don't know.
But anyway, he can usually say all those tongue twisters really well, but I made him try to say fake paint splatter really fast, and that one actually was tricky for him. Like the cookie. They seem to fit in like the cool kids. I don't think I said Aloha Kākou. Sorry for the
Mom, can you want
excessive
panels?
mouth chewing.
Mom, can you want panels?
Yay! Me and Darren got all mixed veggies. What are you doing? Look at her. She's been leaving it in her mouth for a while. Ew. She's putting the car in her food. Oh, yeah, you're making a mess now. We're at the Postal Fest. We're at an angle. We're at the post office right now, up in the Big Island. Only if you live in the main Hilo town, you have mailboxes, but we're everywhere else, like basically anywhere else. For us, like even my mom them, and my brother them, and my other brother, yeah.
How do you spell that song, the Panda song?
P-A-N-D-A.
Wait, is it like no? Wait, is it all?
Oh yeah, we got some packages. But yeah, so where we live, we don't receive mail. We can get things like UPS can drop it off if we get it from Amazon or something and we have it shipped to our house. But everything else, all the other mail has to go to our PO box.
This, Mom.
Is that mine?
Nope.
Where's mine? Don't I have a package?
No.
Dad, hi,
I don't have a package. So both Darren and I got mail. We got a package in the mail. Yeah. Darren got, what did you even get? What did you get?
New rocker for my cordless drywall gun. If anybody does drywall.
That's a lot of words. I got something from Target, baby. Oh, I hope this fits. I got a monokini. This kind of looks big, but I don't know. It probably, if it doesn't fit, I'm just gonna have to order a smaller size. I was thinking of ordering a medium and a large. No, just in case it doesn't fit. I kind of wish I did that.
Can't wait to my work.
Oh gosh. The print of the monokini that I had purchased, I don't know, it kind of looks too big, but I said the same thing about Victoria's Secret bathing suits. When I got that in the mail, I was like, oh no, it looks really big. But then when I put it on, I was like, oh, I guess I am this size. So we'll see. I gotta go home and try this on, or maybe I can try it on in the car real fast, because I think we might go to the beach because it's like really sunny and we want to take advantage of sunny days in Hilo. I'm just excited to try this on. It looks kind of big. If it doesn't fit, I'm just gonna have to take it to Target in the store, return it, then repurchase it, and then in a smaller size. It's on clearance right now online. I think it's on clearance or it's on sale online. So I have to get it before it sells out. I actually might fit this. I think I actually might fit this. And it's like kind of like a different texture from like halfway here, and then has a little slits right there. The back looks like this. I'm excited to try this on.
Wait, can you put sunscreen on?
Yeah. in this little like half open pop-up tent thingy that we got from Costco. I like it, it's pretty good. It's the first time we're using this. Sorry for the weird angle. Darren has 2 of the kids. Cuties. Loco's like just dangling on him. Darren took them all the way to that rock wall. I can't zoom in